Hi everybody, James G here, James G's Adventures. Wanted to say Happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there. I personally wasn't in the military, but I grew up around it basically my whole life. My dad being in the Coast Guard for 35 years. Had a lot of friends growing up on military bases that joined the military themselves, and I've worked with a lot of guys in the Army and stuff doing construction on the side. So I appreciate everybody's sacrifices, all the veterans made, all the sacrifices, and appreciate everybody recognizing them as well. So I want to get to part 2. I want to do that EDC pocket dump. Thought that was really cool. I'll show you guys what I got in my pockets. Alright, so stick around. That's what we're going to do next. Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back. This is the EDC pocket dump. Alright, what Mr. James G has in his pockets, usually. I'm a very minimalist guy, so I just carry usually what I need. Alright, so let's check it out here. First of all, first pocket, the car keys. Gotta have that. And what I usually like to keep on there is a little rechargeable light. You know, yeah, that baby's bright. Got a little, just a Nightcore Tiki. This baby's really cool. I should do a review on it, but there's plenty of reviews on them if you want to check them out. I got some really cool features. I always like to have that. To my other pocket, I have my house keys and various other keys, and you know, those little grocery store things that you scan. So I got those. I got this little Key Smart thing, and then I got one of those little mini touchless things. It's like a little brass. You can push the elevator button. Like that. It's from Key Smart also. It's a little mini thing. I don't really use it. I'm not that paranoid or a germ freak or anything, but I guess it's okay if you are. Alright. That same pocket, I like to keep some mints. You never know, gotta have some fresh breath. Talk to some ladies or something, you know, yeah. I've gotta have some nice fresh breath. Alright, so that other pocket I forgot. Always gotta have a little knife of some sort. And this is illegal in Connecticut, so I don't usually carry this, but I usually carry another little knife that I got. Let's see, on my bottom pockets here. Always carry extra masks, or a mask, you never know, one breaks or something. I always got a mask on me. To this pocket, it's got my wallet. Just a regular wallet. You guys see that? Yeah. It's leather. See what else do I got? Oh, yeah, my phone here. It's got my phone on a nice, one of those rugged cases. This thing is rugged as heck. So I got that on me. And this is what I usually have on me, pretty much every day. But if I'm going to the city, I'll show you what I will bring with me when I go to the city. Just got to be prepared. Alright. This is my smoke grenade from Enola Gay. Boom. Pull the pin, throw it, get out of there. Oops, sorry. Hey, you never know. No, that's just when I go to the city, you know. Also, when I go to the city, break out this bad boy. My 18-inch machete. Because, you never know. You gotta be prepared. So. Just having fun, guys. I carry one more item, though. Usually, if I am going to the city, though, to be serious, I usually carry some sort of firearm. Of course, like James Harshman says, they're all the safety sallies. It's all checked and everything. It's all unloaded. But yeah, it's pretty much what I carry day to day. Pretty simple. Alright, guys. Appreciate you watching. Like I said, Happy Veterans Day, everybody. Check out Water to Field saying fire for the heroes, first responders. Very important as well. Okay, guys, take care. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.